All right, see, here's the homework. Told you I wasn't going to forget it. It's going to be on formulating inequalities. It's on page 18 in your notes. Okay? When I say formulating inequalities, what I mean is you're going to have a word problem. You're going to write an inequality that represents that word problem. So let's take a look. Okay, after today, yeah. So, creating them. This problem right here. Okay, whoops. This problem right here is the example problem we're going to be using. Okay, so make sure you try to keep this to one page so you can follow it through. Okay, how do we turn it into an inequality? We translate words and numbers into symbols. This isn't very difficult. Okay, for those of you who know Spanish, you translate Spanish and English and Spanish all day long. Okay, with this, instead of Spanish English, it's math English or English to math. Okay, so make sure you have that example written down. Remember, don't write down any of the black stuff that's not examples. Next page. Okay, first what you do, figure out the starting point. So I see right here it says she saved $75 last month, plans to add $30 each month until she has saved at least $400. Okay, which number did she start off at? Well, she started off at 75. How do I know that? It says she saved 75 last month. That basically just means, hey, she already has 75 bucks. That's our starting point. Find the rate of change. Okay, the rate of change. Now, to find the rate of change, and we haven't gone over this yet, but to find the rate of change, you have to look for words like each, every, per, okay, or When you see these words, that means the rate of change. So when we look, when we look at this word problem, we see right here it says plans to add 30 each month. I'm going to circle the add as well. Add 30 each month. So this word each, right here, that means 30 is my rate of change. It's changing 30. Each month I'm going to say 30M. That means each month. Okay? Now it says add here, so obviously I'm going to put a plus. So far, I have 75 and I have plus 30M. My next step is going to be find the goal. So right now we are at 75 plus 30M. We have to find the goal now. Okay? Her goal is until she has saved at least 400. The number 400, that's her goal. Okay, I'm going to kind of erase this and rewrite it a little neater. 75 plus 30M. And like I said, her goal is 400, so I'm going to put 400 here. Now the thing about inequalities is it's not always equals. We don't have to say equals. We don't want equals all the time. Okay? Think about real life. If you save, okay, more than $400, are you going to be okay with that? Well, yeah, probably. Are you going to be okay if you save less than 400? No. Okay? How do I know that? Because it says at least. Remember, at least means it's okay if we go over, we just can't be under. So at least, okay, when we figure out the symbol, at least means that symbol there. So her money that she saves plus the money she's adding has to be at least, so more than or equal to $400. And that's how we write these. Okay? This table right here. Write this table down in your notebook. It would be smart if you wrote it down on page 19. Okay? These are the key words that when you see these words tell you what symbol to use. Okay, like right here it says at least, that means I use this symbol. If it said a maximum of, there's a maximum of, it means I would use that symbol. I'm going to tell you right now though, generally a good idea, it's probably usually that one. Sometimes it's that one, but most of the time that's going to be the symbol. Don't always put it, just sometimes. Okay? Tomorrow, we're going to have a quiz at the very beginning of class. It's going to be sort of a who did their notes quiz. I'm going to hand you the index card. All you have to do on the quiz is write, I took the notes. Okay? Don't tell anybody. Okay? If someone looks at you, pretend like you're working on something else. Turn it over really quick and pretend like you're doing math. Okay? There's going to be a real quiz on the board. Pretend like you're doing it. Don't actually do it. You're going to be graded as long as you wrote, I took the notes on the back of the note card. All right? See you guys tomorrow.